This is a great dynamic warm-up exercise that's going to help you open up the hips and hamstrings. So you're going to start from a plank position. You're going to bring one foot up outside your hand or as close as you can. Try to keep your back leg as straight as possible, and then you're going to open up and twist. So you also get some nice rotation through the upper back here as well. Place the hand back to the floor, and then switch to the other side. So from the side here, you're going to notice that I'm trying to keep my back leg as straight as I can, but trying to still sink the hips down towards the floor. So the straighter you keep that leg and the more you drop the hips, the more you're going to feel the hip flexor of that back leg.